Hi, welcome to Game Development in Unity. Whether you're casually playing a game on a mobile device, streaming your PC gameplay online, or getting lost in a more immersive game world, video games have become a way for us to escape reality, learn through simulated experiences, socialize with others across the globe, and even treat mental health. In this course, you'll learn the history of video games and get a look inside the game industry and studios. You'll learn about the game design process and the ingredients that make up a video game. To create your own games, you'll learn how to use the Unity game engine. Working with a variety of game objects or sprites, you'll create a game world and write programs to develop a 2D game. With 3D models, you'll learn how to create 3D game worlds that respond to physics, light, and surroundings to develop a 3D game, as well as augmented and virtual reality games. You'll analyze the game mechanics of classic games and design modern gameplay experiences. The powerful Unity game engine will help you design and develop your games. Several game studios use this software, or other game engines similar to it, to produce amazing 2D and 3D video games for a variety of devices and platforms. There's a lot to learn and create, so let's begin.